Your TCL TV shows picture, but there's no sound coming out. In this video, I will show you simple step-by-step troubleshooting methods to fix the TCL TV sound not working problem and restore the audio easily. Let's start by checking the basic sound settings on your TCL TV. Pick up the remote and turn the volume up to make sure it's not too low, and also confirm the TV is not muted. After that, open the audio settings and check the sound output option. Make sure the TV speakers are selected if you are not using any external audio device, or choose the correct output if you are. Next, we'll do a simple power reset to clear any temporary sound issues. Unplug the TV from the wall outlet completely and leave it unplugged for about 60 seconds. Don't press any buttons during this time. Once the time is up, plug the TV back in and turn it on to see if the sound is back. Now let's move on to checking the HDMI and audio cables connected to the TV. Make sure all HDMI, optical, or AUX cables are pushed in properly on both ends. If you have another cable available, try swapping it to rule out the possibility of a faulty cable causing the sound problem. After that, we'll restart the TV system using the built-in restart option. Go to the TV settings, open System, then Power, and select System Restart. This will reboot the TV software without deleting any of your settings and can fix sound issues caused by software errors. The next thing to check is the audio settings adjustment inside the menu. Open Settings and go to Audio or Display and Sound. From here, try changing the audio output mode, such as switching between Auto or PCM, if that option is available. Also, if you see any intelligent or enhanced sound features, turn them off and check if the audio returns. Now let's test different sources to narrow down the issue. Play sound from another app or switch to a different HDMI input. This helps confirm whether the sound problem is limited to one app or input, or if it affects the entire TV. If you're using a soundbar or external audio device, it's important to check that setup as well. Make sure the soundbar is turned on and the correct input is selected. Disconnect the audio cable from both the TV and the soundbar, then reconnect it firmly. If you're using an HDMI ARC or eARC connection, unplugging and plugging it back in can help restore the audio connection. Now let's check for a software update on the TV. Go to Settings, open System, then About, and select Check for Updates. If an update is available, install it and restart the TV. Software updates often fix bugs that can cause sound problems. Finally, if nothing has worked so far, the last option is a factory reset. Go to Settings, then System, and choose Reset. Keep in mind this will erase all your settings and return the TV to its default state, so only do this if all other steps fail. That's it for this video on fixing the TCL TV sound not working issue. I hope these step-by-step solutions helped you get the audio back on your TV. If this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy and useful tech fixes. If you have any questions or if one of these steps worked for you, let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.